sun starts to rise, water whispers secrets under sapphire skies, dripping from the edges like a heartbeat's pulse. Every drop a signal pulling us to convulse. Bass thumps like raindrops on a midnight street, dancing in the shadows where the worlds collide and meet. Feel the liquid energy coursing through our veins. With every wave that crashes, joy drowns the pain. Bodies move like rivers, flowing side by side. In this tidal motion, let your spirit ride. All around's a symphony, the sound of life and toil. As we drown in music, together let's uncoil. Sparks ignite the surface as the water starts to churn. Electricity of droplets in the night we yearn. Lose yourself to echoes, let the rhythm take its hold. In the dance of raindrops, find the warmth when nights are cold. When the night finds stillness, listen close, it's true. Each drop a moment captured, a memory anew. Beneath the neon skyline, where the wild hearts race, let the sound of water guide you to embrace.